You ain't gonna see nothing.
So there she is, the finished product. The only thing I had to do, well, obviously because you've seen it in the video, is that since this bracket is just a little too wide to mount these holes on the body, I took a piece of angle iron and self-tapered it into the body, and it's really freaking rigid. It's not going to go anywhere. The battery's not going to come flying up and hit me in the back of the head. So I think we're going to be alright. It's a pretty short, just a quick little thing I fabbed up. I think it's alright. It'll do good. Right there. I think it'll work. Okay, so some of the stuff has been a little bit out of order. So what you're about to see next is me running the cables up through the body and running them up front, and I think soldering the ends on. I don't know. I filled a lot of this stuff out of order. But it's in the right order that it should be for the video, but I've filmed it all out of order. So we're just gonna hop in and we're gonna get the cables ran. We can just stick the ends on here. Focus, there. Stick these bad boys on. And like I said before, I'm probably gonna just solder them on there instead of actually crimping them. Get a real good connection on there. Wire. Now, I'll just fill this puppy full of solder and boom. Okay, so fast forward quite a lot actually. I've done a lot of stuff off camera, like getting a whole lot of the trunk carpet put in, and actually finishing this up. So I've got all the cables tucked and hid it all back behind the carpet here. As you saw in the last clip, I was running the cables up through, and I do have them actually all wired up here. I have it running through the frame rail, if you can see here. Right there, I have it coming out of the firewall, both cables. I have my ground strap running right there. And then I have my starter, or my hot side, running through the frame rail. And then coming out, actually down here, you can see I have it nice and tucked and ran right to my starter. And then I have my fuse box power and ground running to those spots. That way I ain't got any problems with any of my fuse boxes or my fuses or anything like that. But the reason that it's been a little bit of time since then, because we were trying to get it running right, and I just didn't really feel like filming it all that much. But figured I'd just give it an update. So this is what it looks like now. It's pretty clean. I think I did a pretty decent job, honestly. Just got a cheapo Walmart Everstart battery, but I think it looks really clean. That's what I was looking for, because I didn't want the battery actually up front at all, because it's ugly. So I think that should do pretty well. If you guys enjoyed the video, give it a like, give me a sub. I don't know. Do whatever you feel. Soon I'll be uploading a couple of videos of this thing running and driving. And also I'm thinking I really want to make a cool edit of it, to at some point really make like a cinematic edit. I want to try some cinematic skills and stuff like that with it too. Just with the phone camera, because I'm too poor for anything else. But I think it's going to turn out pretty good. We're getting there. The only issue I'm having right now is that it's running and driving. We actually took it for a spin. The issue is that it's running really rich. I'm not sure why. We do have a tune. For some reason, it's not running right on 2 cylinders. So I don't know if I've got some clogged injectors from the old gas in the tank. I did drain most of it, but I think it might have gotten some stuff sucked up into the ejectors, and the ejectors might be clogged. So I'm thinking I'll probably yank those and clean them up, and then we're going to see what that is. Once we get it all running good, I'm probably going to update you guys and film a video about that and stuff like that, running it around and stuff. But we got a little bit of ways to go, so it'll probably be another couple weeks till we're all said and done. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed it, please give me a like, thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next one.